Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to show you how to graph an ellipse. Here we have a given equation of an ellipse. We could already tell that it's going to be a horizontal ellipse looking somewhat like this instead of like this. So we already know it's going to be a horizontal ellipse. Okay, so let's start with finding A, B, and C. So A is the greater denominator and it's under x squared. That's how we found out it was a horizontal ellipse. So A is the one under, A is the biggest one. We take the square root of that because right here it's A squared and this is B squared. So we take the square root of both to get just A and just B. So A is going to be 5, square root of 25 is 5. B is going to be 4, square root of 16 is 4. And we could find C using this equation that I showed you in the intro video. So A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared. A squared is 25, B squared is 16, plus C squared, minus 16, minus 16. So 9 is equal to C squared, C is equal to 3. Okay. And C is important when you want to find what are the foci. So C is 3. You could tell the vertices of a horizontal ellipse are plus or minus a comma 0. And if you want to find the vertices of the vertical ellipse, which I'll show in the next video, would be 0, 0 comma plus or minus a. See, they switched. However, we're focusing only on this horizontal ellipse. So vertices are going to be plus or minus a comma 0. What's a? 5. So once you want to graph it, vertices are going to be at plus or minus 5 comma 0. Here's one vertex, and here's the negative 5. Here we have 5, negative 5. That's the other vertex. Another vertex, the vertices on the y-axis are going to be 0 comma plus or minus b. B is 4. Plug in 4. Well, you put two vertices on the y-axis, one being 4, the other being minus 4. And as you see, it's going to look like that. As long as you found the vertices, you're able to sketch a ellipse. Alright, so stick around for the next video about graphing vertical ellipses.